Hello everyone, this is Marlon Carter here, and welcome to my video. And what you are looking at here is the Power Lead system. And if you have seen any of my videos, and if you haven't seen any, I want you to subscribe to my videos so that you can be updated on how I'm progressing in with the Power Lead system. The Power Lead system has allowed me to build a contact list, which will allow me to promote has allowed me to promote my business opportunity. And as far as the business opportunity, my primary business, what I'm focusing on right now, is the Power Lead system. It's a business within itself, a business that will allow you to build capture pages because of the program it is, capture pages, and you have autoresponders, excuse me, that will send out to your leads that opt into your capture pages. And you can build unlimited subdomain. Those subdomains is web pages that you build within the Power Lead system from the templates that's already made with the Power Lead system or inside of the Power Lead system. You can copy them and revise them to what you want them to say. You can even put your videos on the inside of these capture pages. And with the Power Lead system, you're getting 2 links to promote, and the links are referral link A, which will promote Lead Lightning. Lead Lightning is the beginning part of the Power Lead system, a $7 one-time fee. And referral link B promotes your primary business. It doesn't matter what business you are in. Your primary business link can go right here, and you click update, and then you start promoting this link right here. But let me show you the progress and my results in with promoting this Power Lead system. And I promote it through the capture pages that I build inside of the Power Lead system. Let's go over to my Gmail account, and I'm gonna go over to the PLS file, Power Lead system file, and this is my results. Here's a gold member right here that came in at 6:20 p.m. That was yesterday. Here's a gold member arrived on the 1st of September. And here's a lead that came in on the 1st. Here's a Lead Lightning. Remember, Lead Lightning is a $7 one-time fee. And when someone pays $7 that has subscribed to your capture page, when they join Lead Lightning, you get paid $6. Here's another gold member. Those gold members mean that I am getting a residual income, and I am billing this list. I am billing my business with the Power Lead system. Here's another $6 a person came in with the Lead Lightning. Here's another gold member right here on August the 28th. Here's another gold member on August the 21st. Here's another Lead Lightning, and another gold member, July the 17th. And just to show you what the date is, this is no brags. This is happening. The day is Tuesday, September the 5th, right after Labor Day, 2017. And this is my results that I've been getting. Gold member, you can go for June, July, and March, and February. I'm still raking in. And from this system, it is working, people. Here's a gold member way back on January the 15th. And I can go on and on to show you the results I'm having. January the 8th, way back in the beginning of the year. Here's one in December of 16, and here's a silver member. That's $15 every month in December of last year. Here's a Lead Lightning. Here's another gold member. So You see it's working. Here's another gold member. Here's another lead lightning. That's way back in last year. So this system has been working. I've been with the system for 2 years now, and I will not leave it because it is working for me. And it can do the same thing for you. If you're promoting any business online, you can use the Power Lead system. And this has been my results, just to come on to show you that I am being successful with the Power Lead system. So can you. You can get started today with $7 one-time fee. You can join in with the lead lightning part. The link will be at the bottom, and if you want to upgrade, it will show you what else the Power Lead system entails. All right, you all have a good day or night. I'm Marlon Carter, your mentor and your sponsor. Bye-bye now.